Blonde Babe. It's me. And as you can see, we have a winter storm. And I get to drive in it. Fun. Hoping there's no glare or anything. Should pay attention to the road instead of video recording. But I figured I'd let everybody see. I said next time it snowed out that I was going to record it, and I'm keeping to my word. So I guess we're finally getting our white Christmas. Right, Kara?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, Josh? Joshua? Yeah. Here's some Christmas lights over there on the side. This video's probably going to be a little bit messy, but oh well. So, doing the speed limit, or below the speed limit. Don't want to get in an accident. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Don't you love the lovely sound of the windshield wipers? Sounds like someone's passing gas. Boy, you guys are quiet in the car today. You're not saying anything, Kara. No, I can talk and pay attention to the road. I'm video recording and pay attention to the road, so... Alright. Well, I'm gonna let everyone go, because I want to pay attention better to the road, to keep looking at the camera. So, Blonde Babe is done living dangerously. So, I guess I will talk to you all later, and, enjoy the snow, I guess.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.